How's it going, everyone? Northeast Georgia EAS here along with
GPWX.
And in front of you is another weather radio. Yes, another one, which makes my 123rd weather radio in this collection. I'm pretty certain this is a WR300 Deluxe version, not the just regular WR300. Oh.
Hello.
Looks like Nepster WX just joined the call in the video.
Yeah, I was supposed to join in. Sorry about that.
No, you're good, you're good. Glad you can make it.
Glad you too. So, which one are we unboxing again?
It's a 2012 WR300 Deluxe.
Oh, it's the one that I got.
Version 5. And loud as hell.
Okay.
Okay. It goes straight to alert mode, which is wrong. Oops.
At Gainesville, it was
County codes. We are on the 15th of May. Oops, 2026. The current time is, 6:14.
mostly sunny. Off at 7.
What in the heck? Huh.
An American bank
And that's going to be about it. Simple, basically a very simple unboxing video because it's a WR300. So, thank you guys for watching. And I do appreciate GPWX and Nepster WX to join the video as well.
Yeah, sorry if it was short.
Nah, you're good.
Yeah.
And talk to you guys later.